From the Global Leader Incorporated, David Lyons, Joel Buntag, and Eliezer Gallo, Raymond Gorospe, Juan Lu and his puppet, Andok, Ira the Emasculator. With
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's guest time on the show, friends. And our guest comes from the Global Leader Incorporated, the makers and distributors of the most powerful natural antioxidant in the world, known as PiCure. Please welcome on the show Mr. David Lyons, Mr. Joel Buntag, and Mr. Eliezer Gallo. Yeah. All right. Wow. you know your placements already, huh? Is this by choice or by designation?
By designation.
By designation.
They sit in the front.
Okay, of course, let's start off with David Lyons. You are our Senior Vice President of the Global Leader. We have Mr. Joel Buntag,
Yes,
our Corporate Sales Manager, one of our officers also. And, kasi we don't want to mistake them for the one who has psoriasis before. Okay, we have Mr. Eliezer Gallo. You are the one with may mga galos noon. Di ba? Psoriasis, which was of course addressed and treated because of your PiCure, no? Taking PiCure for 2 months. So that's how it happened. It was a challenge of sorts, huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Wala, pinanood ko lang yung show mo. Sabi ko, okay ito meron siyang guest na British. So,
First, he was smitten by the British guest.
Yes.
Tapos,
so sabi ko, seryoso to. So sabi ko, siguro I visit din sa office niya and ask kung ano yung PiCure. And then, yun, nag-take ako ng PiCure. In couple of weeks, nakakita na ako ng mga pagbabago.
okay. Magano muna tayo dyan, sir. Yung sinabi mo yung pagbabago sa iyong supposed to be sickness, you're afflicted with psoriasis. Okay? For our viewers, what is psoriasis?
Well, ang psoriasis kasi yung rapid growth of skin cells. Mabilis yan mag-flakes. And in fact, yung tayo lahat, no, na ano yung skin natin. Pero kami, sobra. Madali siyang mag-dry up.
Mag-dry up. So, pag nag-dry up, of course, naturally, ang tendency mo is to magkaroon ka ng magiging magasgas, magaspang, mag-open wounds.
Not only that, may mga times na namamaga siya. Inflame siya. So painful. Tsaka...
And ano na ang reason for this? Because of your blood, is it in your gene?
Genetic daw.
Genetic, okay.
Pero parang binrake ng PiCure eh.
Okay, now let's go to the breaking part. Ang nangyari niyan, na-assign ka ang mag-oversee ng everything yung challenge. Ang delegated natin, isa sa mga officer natin, si Joel. Okay,
Yes.
Joel, kwento mo ngayon kung ano...
Kasi nga yung PiCure, Jo, it is composed of 96% curcumin, which is turmeric, and 4% piperine. Now, anong ginagawa ng turmeric or curcumin? Ito ay inano niya, yung parang binablock niya yung biochemical inflammatory process, which is usually common sa psoriasis.
Okay.
Yes. Now, actually yung curcumin alone, hindi siya ganun kalakas without the enhancing effect ng piperine.
Piperine.
Yes. Yung piperine na popotentiate niya yung curcumin ng 1,000%. Ganon.
Okay.
Ganon
So,
kalakas yun.
enhance niya yung parang pinaka-efficacy, no?
Yes.
Yung efficiency ng produkto
Ng
natin.
curcumin. Oo.
And
And only tayo...
natural, no?
Yes, and natural. Tayo lang po sa the global leader, merong PiCure, which is patented. Combination ng curcumin and piperine. 240 milligrams ng curcumin and 10 milligrams ng piperine.
And if I may just add, friends, again, this is part of our bragging rights, no? Yung PiCure natin is actually a winner in a science project.
Yes. Oo, investigatory project ng isang bata sa Pasig
exactly.
City Science High School.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Anyway, so let's go back now. David, okay, anong naging parang I want to get into parang I want to see the contest part of this with our company. So anong sabi mo? Yun, when you talked about it, you gave us what? 1 month, anong
Nag-challenge nila ako.
Anong challenge?
I was challenged.
Fight your
Yeah.
challenge.
Sabi ko, nothing to lose. I've been having this psoriasis for 21 years.
21 years?
Yes.
Wow.
Yung first,
Nagdibo na pala yung psoriasis mo.
when I had my first baby.
Oh.
Tapos noon, I went to a lot of doctors, mga dermatologists, hospitals, na phototherapy na rin ako twice. And meron ngang isang doctor na pinag-aralan din ako, sinaksakan ako ng mga tubo.
Oh, okay.
Yung oxygen, I don't know kung anong tawag niya. Pero wala pa rin nangyari.
Siguro, right.
And yung pinakahuli nito, nagtitake na ako ng steroids.
Okay.
Matindi na kasi...
Woman steroids or men steroids?
Oh,
I'm just kidding. Same picture man. I'm just kidding. I just had to put that in. I'm sorry. Okay. Steroids.
so nag-steroids na ako. Pero
Hormones pala yun, pala steroids. Sorry. Okay.
marami ng side effects siya.
Okay. Because this is very unnatural.
Oo, so andyan yung eye bugs mo, loss of hair.
Okay.
So yung internal organ mo, you don't know what's happening. So sabi ko, if ever na tumagal pa tong pag-steroid ko, I have to kiss my kids and my lovely wife goodbye.
Alright.
So sabi ko, wow, I'm digging my grave already.
Okay.
So this is it, sabi ko, breakthrough to. I have to go to their office, ask for this spike cure. Ano ba to?
Alright. And there you go. 2 weeks into the challenge, David, di ba?
Yeah, can I just say this is probably the most visual difference we've seen on any one of our consumers in 12 months. You know the success stories which PiCure and the 2 other products have here in the Philippines and overseas now. But when you show the slides, hopefully later on, of the before and after of Mr. Gallos, it's incredible.
Right, why don't we look at it now? Okay, this was Mr. Gallos. It will show that this was Gallos before. Alright? And then, here is this now. Clean as a whistle.
Yeah.
No? Right.
Actually,
Diba?
Joe, gusto niya nga raw
Gusto
mag-upad.
niyo makita ngayon.
Huh? Maganda yan. We will just pause for a reminder when we get back. We will see him naked from the waist up. Because of PiCure, he can do that. Stay with us here, the Medyo Late Night Show. Okay, ito muna, this is na, hindi po ito tsaa, hindi po ito salabat, friends, ito ha. Ito po yung natanggal na scrape off the skin, dead skin, from Elazar, no? Ito, Elazar, ito po yung dead skin po yan, hindi po yan tsaa, hindi yun salabat. So, yan po ay tinanggal dahil nito. Alright? Okay. What we're going to do is show you pero hindi mo not until we will show them first. Magandang mo natin. Unahin na natin to. Tsaka natin pakantayin yung special guest natin, pare, di ba? Para maganda. Alright, on national TV, Elazar Gallos will show you his now better skin than before because of PiCure. Pare, go, if you will. Drum roll, please!
Pwede bang ibebel ko muna yung ano mo?
Ha?
Bebel ko muna kasi nakita ko yan sa TV.
Ganun ba? Sige, pwede. Yeah! Go! Pare, go!
May papabuenas pa.
Oh! Linis na ba? Tsaka parang lumaki ang kata mo Oo! Kumanda parang si David. Si David lost weight also. So did I because of PiCure. Nagkita na tayo. Kagwapo to pero...
Yeah, I lost 10 pounds.
Good. Ikaw, Joel, meron ka ba? Ikaw
Yes.
rin.
Ay, mga 20 pounds na masarap.
20 pounds?
Yeah.
Good. Anyway, thank you very much. The global leader.